again and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make yet another repotting video, and this time I'm going to repot my Stanhopea Oculata, which I got today from Großräschener Orchideen in Germany. For now it's sitting in bark, at least I think so. It's not the easiest thing to know what it's potted in. You'll be surprised too many times. So, okay, now, as you can see, there's a new growth here. I have to be really careful with that guy. Oh, yeah, just... What we got in a pot here? Let's see. Whoops! All right, let's see here. A lot of nice roots. Not soggy, they're sturdy. Oh, and this little lovely new growth. Now you can see, as I told you before in a couple of minutes ago, you never know what's in the pot. So now I can see that they potted this guy in some coconut husk. Fortunately, I have some at home, so I can use that. I can mix it up with bark. It seems to be mixed up with bark here. Yeah. It's quite easy. The roots are thick, quite thick, so it's easy to release the bark from them. I don't have to do much. It's just been sitting in the water for 5 minutes. So this is working out great. Just fine. Nice things. Let's see here. And as you can see, it's got a lovely root system with lots of branching root tips all over the place. I got a small problem though. The pot showed itself to be a little too small. Of course it fits in there, but not for long. As the pot is so shallow, that's the real problem, that it's shallow. But I think it's gonna be okay anyway. And for a while I was thinking about cutting off this flimsy, wobbly old pseudobulb. It's doing no good for the plant. But since it's still plump and no rotting here, it's nothing bad here. So, and it's really not in the way. If I take it off, it wouldn't make it better. So just try to get all the roots down. Yes. And press it to the back so it fits even better. Yeah. Find a little hole. Just be careful with everything here. Now I have a mixture of some slow release fertilizer. This one, just a few pieces. Yeah, and I have this little bit of sphagnum moss and this coconut husk and a little bit of small to medium sized bark. Yeah. Okay. Let's see now what we got. I want to press it to that side and oh, look at all the fine root tips. Oh, I'm a little bit scared now. It's gonna work out just great. Just a few waterings, so it's gonna settle. You can see what I'm doing here. Oh, it's nothing special. I'm just pressing some media into a basket, but Yeah. All right. I kind of like the looks of it. I really hope the media doesn't fall out from the sides too much when I when I water it. Maybe I should stick some moss into the sides here. A little bit, perhaps. Yeah, we'll see. That was my repotting of Stanhopea Oculata. And in a couple of months I'm going to show you the progress of her. If it's made any progress or if it had a setback or whatever happened to this gal. Could have been just fine. It might even have flowered by then. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit thumbs down, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more updates like this one. Alright, have a good one. See you later on. Bye bye.